Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am here in my kitchen garden with my pumpkin plants. And these pumpkin plants I grew from the seeds only. So you can see it's very healthy and very lively. Today I'll pluck flowers, pumpkin flowers, but only the male flower. So what's the difference? Let me show, because don't pluck the female flower, it gives the pumpkin. So let's pluck it, and what I'm going to prepare I'll show you. Another thing, please pluck the flowers in the early morning, otherwise it starts to wilt later on. So better collect it when it is fresh. So this is male flower, and you can see this is female flower. It came with the pumpkin. So my pumpkin flower collection is over. So I'll make pumpkin flower pakoda. It's very simple, very easy and very yummy. It goes very well with rice or with tea also. As a snacks you can use it. So let me go ahead and start preparing this pakoda. So my pumpkin flower pakora is ready. Tea is ready. We are going to have this with tea. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So see you all in my next video. Bye bye.